part one on my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning into my channel, W.D.T High Performance. Today we are taking the front bumper off, installing my new headlights on, and do a test fit of my new bumper today. So you're just going to see just a video of the headlights being put on, transferring the 2015 headlights, Hellcat headlights, onto my Challenger here. And you guys will see that right now.
Here's the box.
Alright, put your stuff in?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. This is my fiance, Margaret. Say hi. So behind here are 10mm bolts. So you got them bolted here and on the other side. So I have a wrench.
I got to unplug these bulbs here underneath.
Oh yeah, you know where those bulbs are at?
Huh?
You know where those bulbs are at?
No.
You had them there covered.
Now listen to that, like a reddish case that has well, when we get it off, it'll be easy to get to.
Okay. Thank you, honey buns. Just got pulled out. So we gotta pop these off here and unbolt it. There's some bolts on the side of here. Gotta do for the bumper to come off. So that's the tool that you use to pop those off?
Yeah.
What do you call that tool?
Pin push puller.
Oh. Pen push puller? So we're just gonna go jump ahead when this is all off. You guys will see that soon.
Huh?
So we're gonna jump ahead. All right, we're jacking the car up. Margaret here. Just jacked it up for me. Good job, everyone. So we're gonna jack it up, take off the bumper. Help out much better. That's Margaret, or you can call her Nona. She is my fiance, and I love her very much. She's from Indonesia. She is Asian. She is a real sweetheart. Okay, honey, I think that's good. Good job. Hey, love you, babe. Now we're going to finish taking the bumper off. Okay, right now we are taking off the old headlights. Okay.
There's one screw behind here.
Oh, there's one behind there?